Okay, this is my Toro HXL 1338 rebuild project. It definitely does not look like an HXL 1338 from the hood. That is a Murray hood. The deck came off of a Lawn Boy tractor, which is basically exactly the same as the Toro. It's just badged Lawn Boy. I just got the deck installed, fresh blades. The belt was actually good. Let's see if that deck will fire up. This will be the very first attempt. Basically, if you haven't followed along, the main chassis of this machine is the original Toro, but everything else is the Lawn Boy. Transaxle, dash, steering wheel, engine, and deck. Okay, I just had to engage the transaxle. Let's see what happens. Okay, got a dead battery.